Hey guys, so we're back with another tutorial Tuesday, and today what I'm going to show you guys how to do is a single arm landmine press. So I'm going to show you an example first, and then we can talk about it afterwards. So we got our bar all ready and set here, and we're just going to jump right into it, and I'll kind of talk you guys through it as we go. So we're going to pick up the bar here. First things first, bar is going to go in our right hand here, staggered stance. Alright, so bar's in our right hand, opposite legs forward, so left leg forward in this instance, the bar is in the right hand. First cue I want you to focus on is my back foot. The heel is going to be elevated. What this really does, just forces your ankle to be a stabilizer and just makes it much more into an athletic exercise rather than a normal exercise. Second cue, what I want you to focus on is my elbow. You see how it's tucked in here? I don't want you to flare it out. That's what causes injury. We're going to tuck it in around a 30-degree angle. Last thing I want you to focus on here is instead of just doing a normal press, so instead of just pressing up, what we're going to do, since we're an athlete, is we're going to activate our lower body here. So we're going to go into a half or quarter squat here. We're going to squat down, and then as we produce that force through our lower body, we're going to press up here. All right, so here it is. Simultaneously down with the lower body, press up with the upper body. Last thing I want you to focus on here is that core. That core's got to brace because this weight can get heavier, and as you push up, it can force your body and your torso to move around. What we really want is our torso to stay straight and stay stable. So here's what it looks like. So what muscles are worked in this exercise? Obviously a lot of the upper body. So the anterior part of your shoulders are worked, the upper part of your chest, and then your triceps are worked as you extend that elbow. Some of the stabilizers though and things that you may not think of that are being worked is your core. Your core, as I stated, is having to brace as you press up. That weight can move you around. It's having to brace because you have to stay stable in this position. Last thing is when we add in that little lower body squat, it's developing overall force development because the force starts in your legs and it goes all the way up to your shoulder as you press up. Just a great exercise for athletes just to develop overall strength and force production. So that's how to do single arm landmine press.